Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to add a fingerprint in Motorola G67. First of all, open setting. Now in setting, scroll down, click on security and privacy. Scroll down, click on device unlock. Scroll down, click on fingerprint. Confirm your identity. Click on add fingerprint. Click on got it. Now scan your finger. After 100% complete, click on done. After click on done, add a fingerprint from your phone. This is how you can add a fingerprint in Motorola G67. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.